Are you wondering why your brain feels foggy and you can't focus for long? Skipping sleep? You're not just tired, you're damaging your brain. Let me tell you how. Just one night of poor sleep drops your focus by 40%, and your memory? Basically gone. Shocking, right? Sleep is as important as food and water. Lack of sleep increases risk of heart disease, weight gain, anxiety, and even early death. Here is the good news: 7 to 8 hours of real sleep can boost energy, sharpen focus, reduce stress, improve immunity, even helps rewiring neural pathways. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's your brain's daily detox. Respect it or regret it. If you have a good quality sleep, hit the like button and subscribe for your daily health dose. Trust me, I am a pharmacist. Share with someone who you feel might be in need of this video. Comment sleep if you want a checklist to fix your sleep cycle. I'll send it free.